Hey everyone. Well, I don't usually do these kind of publications on my social media accounts, but I consider it to be necessary on this occasion. A few days ago, I posted a comment on a Facebook post that according to Facebook's criteria, it was inciting to hatred and offensive to some minority community groups. They asked me if I was in agreement with that premise, which I denied, and they banned me afterwards. Look, I might not be an expert on these social issues. I might not be the best to talk about this, but I want to send a message to my American friends. As many of you know, I am Venezuelan. I live in Venezuela, and I have also lived in the US. I have many friends there, and I saw how you guys celebrated your Independence Day, as you usually do every year. You have a big celebration, a big party there, celebrating your freedom and your independence. The 5th of July is Venezuela's Independence Day. And it is not a secret that Venezuelans don't celebrate their Independence Day as they used to. In fact, over the last few years, we don't celebrate our Independence Day anymore. And if you know about Venezuelan politics, you might guess why. I spent the 5th of July deeply pondering about how in the world the wealthiest and most prosperous nation in South America got to a state of virtually almost no freedom. I was very regretful about things that have happened in this country, in this beautiful nation. I was born in 1996, so all I have known since I have memory is dictatorship. And except for the 2 years I've lived in the US. I don't have a problem with Facebook's position. I mean, I know that by signing up on their platform, I have to agree with their policies. Well, not agree, but comply with their policies. And I'm okay with following the rules. I'm okay with erasing my comment. And by the way, I want to do a parenthesis here because I want to make clear that this comment was not directed to anyone in specific. It was not directed to any group. And it was not meant to offend anyone, and especially in Venezuela, that comment would be perfectly okay. In our culture, we don't get offended that easily. But okay, I can comply with Facebook rules. I can erase my comment. I'm okay with that, personally. But banning me? I mean, I don't know if this is gonna be just for 24 hours or what, but that's just out. That's out of sense, it's just too extremist. And those policies and those policymakers remind me of the policymakers and the policies that took Venezuela and Venezuelans to not celebrating their Independence Day anymore. To all my American friends, don't you dare to let these extremist people take power over your country. Don't you dare. Don't let them take away your freedom. Don't allow them. to take you to not celebrate your Independence Day anymore, to not celebrate your freedom. That's all I got to say for tonight. I hope you're able to see this video. May God bless America and may God bless Venezuela. Have a good night.